Have you ever heard about the stock market and felt confused? Maybe you're wondering, what exactly is it? Or, can I actually make money from it? Well, you're in the right place. In just a few minutes, we're going to break down the stock market in the simplest way possible, and I'll show you how anyone, yes, even you can get started today. 1. What is the stock market? So, let's start with the basics. The stock market is like a giant marketplace where people buy and sell shares of companies. Think of it like a big shopping mall, but instead of clothes or gadgets, you're buying tiny pieces of a business called stocks or shares. Now, these stocks represent ownership in a company, so when you buy a stock, you own a small part of that company. And just like with anything else in life, if the company does well, your stock could go up in value. If the company struggles, the value of your stock could go down. 2. How does the stock market work? How exactly does this all work? Well, every day, thousands of companies are listed on stock exchanges, like the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ, where stocks are bought and sold. It's kind of like an online store where you can pick which stocks you want to buy, and when you're ready to sell them, you can sell them to other investors. The prices of stocks move up and down all the time, depending on what's happening with the company or the economy in general. If people think a company is doing great, the stock price goes up. But if something bad happens like a big CEO leaving or poor earnings reports, the price might drop. And of course, a little risky. 3. Why should you care about the stock market now? You might be asking, why does any of this matter to me? Well, the stock market can be one of the best ways to grow your money over time. Think of it like planting a tree. When you invest in stocks, you're planting a seed. Over time, with patience and care, it has the potential to grow into something much bigger. But, just like gardening, it's important to make smart choices and be prepared for both sunny days and rainy ones. 4. Types of stocks and how to start. Okay, but where do you start? There are two main types of stocks you should know about: common stocks and preferred stocks. The most common type is regular common stock, which gives you a piece of ownership and sometimes a say in company decisions. 5. Final thoughts. So, whether you want to start investing in the stock market today or just want to learn more about how it works, understanding the basics is the first step. The stock market might seem complicated at first, but once you break it down, it's a powerful tool that can help you grow your wealth over time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more easy to understand finance tips. And if you have any questions or want to learn more about stocks, drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out.